Hi students, in last class we started exercise 3.1. In that we completed first main, and second we will start now. What they asked, write first 5 multiples. Yes, you know now how to write multiples. First 5 they asked. So how to write multiples? The number which multiply with natural numbers. Yes, 5 ones 5, multiples of 5 we have to write. 5 ones 5, 5 twos 10, 5 threes 15, 5 fours 20, 5 fives are 25. How many they asked? Only 5. So we have written 5. If they ask 6 or 7, we have to write. Next, yes, second B1. Multiples of 8 we have to write. So 8 table we have to write. 8 ones 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. These are the multiples of 8. Next one, C1 will see. Nine, multiples of 9. Yes, you know now how to write multiples. So C1 do it yourself. Next we will go to the third main. Okay. Next one is third one. Match the items in column 1 with the items in column 2. You have to match whatever the numbers are there in column 1. We have to match this one. First one what they given. These are in column 1 35, 15, 16, 20 and 25. Column 2, first one what they have given, multiple of 8. Yes, we know already. Multiple means whatever they have given the number, we have to write that multiple. So multiple of 8 means what? 8 ones 8, 8 2, 16. That only multiples of 8 means. Yes. See, we have to check in a 8 table. Multiple of 8 means 8 table only. Yes. In the table, these numbers are there or not? Yes. If is there, then it is matches. First one will see multiple of 8. We will check. Okay. 8 ones 8, 8 twos are 16. Yes. Here in column 1 we can see 16. 16 is present. So these two are matching. Yes. So we can write third one. We can write here. Yes. Third one. Next, multiple of 7. Again same. In a 7 table, multiple of 7 means 7 1 7, 7 2 are 14. Yes. We will check these numbers are there or not. Okay. 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35. Is there 35? Yeah? Yes, is there. So these two are matches. Yes, these two matches here. Next, these two. So we can write first one. So we can write here. Next third one is multiple of 70. See, multiple of 70 means again 71 are 17, 72 are something, yes, like that. See, 71 are 70, 72 are will get big number. 71 are 70 only. This is big number only. In multiples, what I said while explaining multiples concept. See, here the number is going to increase downside. Yes. So at first only if we got 2 numbers, it is big number, yes, then compared to these numbers. So this is this option is not matching to any one of these. So it is not there. Okay. Next one is D will see. Factor of 30. Factor means what I said, whatever the given number that should divides exactly by taking any number. We'll see. We'll do with 2. Okay. Here I am doing 30 na. They have given 30. We'll check by 2 it divides exactly or not. Okay. 2 ones 2. If you do subtraction, we'll get 1. We'll take this 0 down. So again we got 10. 2 5s are 10. Yes, if you do subtraction, we'll get 0. What I said while explaining factors, if the number is completely divides the given number, means completely divides means in a remainder place if we got 0, then it completely divides. So we can say 2 is a factor of 30. In which form we can write this? We can write into into 15 equals to 30 only we will get. Yes, we can write 15 to the 30 also, 2 into 15 also 30 only we will get. See, factor of 30. Here 15 is the one of the factor. What they asked? Factor of 30, we have to check in this is there or not. Yes, these two are factors only because these are exactly, this number is exactly divides here. So these two are factors only. Yes. So 15 is one of the factor. You understand? So these D and this 15 is matched here. So here we can write second one only. Next one is factor of 50. Again same process. How we can check? We can check by 2. Okay. Same. 2 2s are 4. Yes. 5 is not coming, so we can take, we have to take less number. If you do subtraction, we will get 1 here. If we take this 0 down, 2 5s are 10 again. So these two are factors only, we can write in this way. 2 into 25, we will get this 50. Yes. So 2 and 25 are the factors of 50. Here is there here 25 and 2. 2 is not there, but 25 is there. So these two are matches here. 25 is a factor of 50. Yes, fifth one. Next last one, factor of 20. Yes, again same. 20 na 2. We can write factor of 20. 20 ones are 20 also we can get. Itself is a factor. Yes. So here is 20 is there. So these two are matches here. Yes. Which one? Fourth. Yes, you understand how to do multiplication and multiples of these given numbers and factors of given numbers. Yes. Next, fourth one, find all multiples of 9 up to 100. What we have to do? Multiple of 9 we have to write here. Multiple of 9 means 9 ones 9, 9 twos 18. These only multiples of 9. Yes, we will write here solution. Multiples of 9. All multiples of 9 up to 100. Yes, 9 ones 9, 9 twos are 18. 9 3s 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81. Yes. Next, 9 10s are 90. But what they ask, up to 100, in this place we have to get 100. Yes, up to 100 we have to write. So again 9 11s are 99. Next, up to 100 they said na, 9 12s are, yes, 12 9s are 108. Yes, it is big number. So till here only we have to write. Yes, find all multiples of 9 up to 100 they ask. So till 99 we will get. These are the multiples of 9. Yes, next one is prime and composite numbers. We'll see first what is prime. Prime means, see already we discussed about factors na, you know factors how to write. Yes, prime means the number which has only two factors. See, prime number means what? The number which has only two factors. Yes, we know that one. One is common to every number. One is a factor of every number and itself is a number. Yes, prime means the number which contains only two factors. If we see that one, first I will say composite number, after I will explain. Composite numbers. Here numbers, number which has more than two factors. See here, prime means what? Number which has only two factors. One is common to, one is a factor of all numbers and itself is a factor of all numbers. Yes, if these two factors, only two factors is present for any number, then we can say that number is a prime number. Yes, composite means the number which has more than two factors, either 3 or 4. Yes, so these type of numbers we call composite numbers. See, if you see the table, here is numbers and second column is factors and last one is number of factors. Okay, first for 1 there is only one factor. I already explained how to write factors. Yes, in first class only I explained. Yes, for 1 only there is one factor is there. Number of factor is 1. For second number, 2 number, factors are only will get only 2 factors. Yes, here for 3 also only 2 factors will get. For 4 there is 3 factors are there. Yes, see, prime means what I said by definition, number which has only 2 factors. So we can say here the number 2 which has only 2 factors. So we can say 2 is a prime number and even 3 also a prime number because it has only 2 factors. Next, composite means the number which has more than 2 factors. 4 is a composite or prime composite because the factors, these number which contains more than 2 factors means there 3 factors are there for 4. 5 is again what? Prime or composite? Prime because it contains 2 factors. If you see here, it contains 2 factors. Yes, 6 is composite number, more than 2 factors are present. 7 is prime, 8 is composite, 9 is again composite, 10 also composite, 11 prime, 12 is composite number. Yes, you understand prime and composite numbers. Yes, we understand prime numbers and composite numbers. Yes, then one have the number 1 has only one factor, then it is prime or composite. Yes, you know, see, 1 is a neither prime nor composite. 1 is a, it may be what? Prime number, it may be composite number. Yes, next we will see the even numbers. even numbers, numbers which are divisible by 2 is called even numbers. Example is 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes. Even numbers means what? Numbers which are divisible by 2 is called even numbers. Means, see, I am taking, these are the examples, na? Okay, I will take 4. 4 is, we will check is divisible by 2 or not. Okay, 2 2's 4. If you do subtraction, we will get 0. So, it is exactly divides. We got 0 here. So, 2 is a even number. Sorry, 4 is even number. Even 2 also even number. Next is odd. For this it is opposite, the number which is not divisible by 2. Numbers which are not divisible by 2 is called odd or numbers. Example, we can say 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, we will check here. We will check 5. We can see 5 number in 2 table. No. So, we can take, we have to take a less number. So, again 2 to the 4. Okay. If you do subtraction, we will get remainder as 1. So, it is not exactly divides. So, we can say this number is odd number. By definition, what? Number which are not divisible by 2, then these numbers we call odd numbers. Yes, you understand even and odd numbers. Next we will start exercise. Exercise 3.2, first one. What is the sum of any two A1 what they have given odd numbers? Sum of any two odd numbers. What is the sum of any two odd numbers? Odd numbers means what? Yes, already I said odd numbers means it starts from 1. Yes, again 2 is a even number, 3 is odd number, 4 is even number, 5 is odd number. Yes, what they said, if you take any two odd numbers, as a result what we got, what we will get. Okay, sum of odd numbers, we will take these two. We can take anything, any odd numbers. Sum means addition you have to do. 1 plus 3 will get 4. What is this? It is even or odd? It is even number. Yes. So, sum of odd numbers will get even number. Yes. B1 will see. Second one is even numbers. Yes, even numbers have to do addition. Even numbers means what? 2 and 4 also even number. Na? I will take these two. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 is even or odd? Even number only. Yes. We'll check which divides even number. By definition, what is said? If the number is divides by 2, then if you got 0 in remainder place, then we can say 6 given number is even number, I said. Okay, we'll check. 2, 3, 6. If you do subtraction, 0. So 2 is divides 6, exactly divides. So 6 is a what? Even number only. By doing sum of 2 even numbers, we'll get as answer as even number only. Sum of even numbers. We get even number.